Hello, CESA 3 region. This is Ellie Olson from CESA 3. I am so looking forward to April 15th. On April 15th, we are having a Power Positive Team workshop for teams of high school students to come to CESA 3 and learn about John Gordon's great work around the power of a positive team. There are 6 principles that we will be focusing on that day. The first is that positive teams create positive cultures. The second is positive teams work together towards a shared vision with a greater purpose. The third principle, positive teams work together with optimism, positivity, and belief. We then move to principle 4, which is positive teams transform and remove negativity. The 5th principle is positive teams build trust and great relationships. And the last principle is that positive teams are always striving to get better. I look forward to April 15th, and I hope you can send a team to CESA 3 for this great experience around the power of a positive team. Have a great day.